wizkid now they do where Beyonce come feature wizkid. By the way, sir, if I catch wizkid, you know it. One, wizkid is racist. When they sing with Nigerian artists, no accent. American artists, accent. You go use diction. All I'm doing, totally me one time. Totally me 2 times. Totally me 3 times. Totally me 4 times. What is doing you? You want to sing with Beyonce? Wizkid they do brown skin girl. Brown skin girl like pearl. Best thing in the world. I said I wish they do world. Why you not do totally me 1 time too? Very anyhow. Afrobeat has taken over the world. Put your hands together for Afrobeat, ladies and gentlemen. And the time runs because of my time. Sir, do you know what it is for our music to grow to the point that Indians are inviting us? Look at what happened to Rema. Rema went to India to sing our song, not their song. Because all our life, the only Indian song we know is Janima, Janikije, Janima. As Rema land airport, now 2 men wake up, baby, come down. Gotta be somebody, but the man for lockdown. I'm thinking, I said, as Asake say they call him, and Asake call them, Mama, wow. And then I said, you want to come? Very good. So right now we're going to call Asake. And when he comes, he's going to sing Yogar. If I Asake song, only 1 year, no song, Yogar, I'll be on my way, Yogar. Asake perform Yogar, nobody dance. The only dance they dance now, this one. Then it Asake say, if you go back and perform yoga in Mumbai, we'll give you $1 million. As I can hear $1 million, go check out Indian band. Now wait till we hear this. DJ play. Yoga lele, I'll be on my way. Let nobody care about yoga. All of them massacre. Enemies, I get them too much. It's better to get them surplus. When they fall, do not take off. I do tell let it go. What can fire, my lover. What can fire, stick and us. I do that all of them massacre. Imagine say Portable is so big right now that even American artists they with me come America, me they feature. So they for again what they do for America, Usher request for Portable. I don't no jokes. Why is it a joke? Imagine this kind of word now. Usher just come say, yo, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say a big shout out to my guy, Portable. Even he said, Michelle, hi. He say, yeah, Portable. Say, I want to say big shout out to my guy, Portable. In fact, tonight, I'm going to do a song for my brother, Portable. No, my time, no. Make it go. Imagine us, I just say, ladies and gentlemen, this song my brother, Portable. And it starts to Zazel. Look at the neighbor, say, neighbor. Zazel. Aradugo, Tutude, Zazu, follow, Opo Lexi, Oyeketi Magbo, Portable, Bado, Baby Chabaye, Oh, Tutize, no, Tutize. Because I know your mind, no, I know I don't know she never seen. Since she done the chill with Sammy Daddy, Pokuli and Kobagi. Let's go. Now my baby don't decide to say Coco try. Okay, this joke is for you. I want to maybe tell a team Pokayo. Now my baby baby, second area. I travel to go America. If you see the way they announce flights, even if you know they go that country, you go enter the flight. You go here, boom, boom, or attention please, and it comes with echo. All passengers on British Airways to Lagos should please proceed for boarding. Boarding. People go carry bag. Boarding. I don't know what they are wearing to. First of all, from outside, they don't threaten you. You go for London, if you travel, are you going to Manchester? Please follow me. Let's go. Our airport. If you are not traveling, go back. I will not repeat myself. If you are not traveling, go back now. I can't go back. Go back with this small bag. Go back, Joe. Why you they shout? The annoying part of the way they announce that flight. Either the girl know hear English, or the plane, or the airport speaker know they walk. They will come speak one nonsense English. They will make you miss your flight. Because you intention, please. Intention to do what? What is your intention in life? You go hear all passengers of this airline should just be Chisco bus outside, plane don't fool. Na 10.5 I pay. I know they fly with Sheyi Budi and the rest again because they enter business class and they enter economy, mind my business. I know they send anybody. They come look at you, seat number 1A, they see that economy 62B. You see them economy. How you tell affordable? They call it like this. The annoying part, because of time, na the pilots. Okay, you know say all the airlines, including Nigeria, till today, you know the everything pilots they talk, but we don't say we go land. Once that plane take off, seat best sign is up, you just hear boom, boom, boom. All this is a all this is everybody's all Lagos. All this over for so Lagos. All of us are playing will be like this. If you fly Ethiopia Airways, they don't speak English. Wait till the end of Kubura to Mangari. Kilo Kubura. This is the annoying part. We hear, we'll be landing at about. So you don't know road.
I told you guys that you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.